Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Volleyball. Let's know about some important points: referee signals, rotation, and ground measurement. Index. The things that we will discuss about volleyball are: first, referee signals; second, location of referee and their assistants; third, net and post; fourth, rotation; fifth, line on the court; sixth, court measurement; seventh, court image; and last one, world ranking image. Let's see referee hand signals. Referee hand signals. Every volleyball player should be know about this important referee hand signals, because referee will give some signals in the match like delay in service, double contact, fault, catch, attack hit fault, etc. You all can have a look on different referee signals are there. First, authorization to serve; second, team to serve; third, change of court; fourth, timeout; fifth, substitution; 6A, misconduct warning; 6B, misconduct penalty; 7th, expulsion; 8, disqualification; 9, end of set or match; 10, ball not toss or release in service hit; 11, delay in service; 12, blocking fault or screening; 13, positional or rotation fault; 14, ball in; 15, ball out; 16, catch; 17, double contact; 18, 4 hits; 19, net touch by player; 20, reaching beyond the net; 21, attack hit fault; 22, penetration into the opponent court, ball crossing the lower space, or the serve touches the court in line, or the player steps outside his or her court at the moment of the serve is hit; 23, double fault or reply; 24, ball touch; 25, delay warning, delay penalty. Now, students, you can see in these pictures, these are line judge officially flag signals. First, ball in; second, raise flag vertically; third, ball touch; fourth, crossing space faults; ball touch an outside object or foot fault by any player during service; fifth, judgment impossible. Location of referee and their assistants. First referee. The first referee in volleyball is positioned on elevated platform at the side of the net, opposite the official table or referee stand. Second referee. The second referee stands on the floor opposite the first referee and assists in making calls, primarily focusing on the play at the net. Third, scorer. The scorer performs his or her function seated at the scorer table on the opposite side of the court from the facing the first referee. Fourth, assistant scorer. The assistant scorer performs his or her function seated beside the scorer at the scorer table. Fifth, line judges. The line judges stands opposite corner throughout the entire match. Net height for women from the center line is 2.24 meter. Net height for men from the center line is 2.43 meter. Net length is 9.5 to 10 meter. Net width is 1 meter. Pole to pole distance is 11 meter. Pole and sideline distance between pole placed at distance of 0.50 to 1 meter outside the sidelines. Pole height is 2.55 meter. Pole diameter is 10 centimeter. Net band. Above the net band is 5 centimeter. Below the net band is 5 centimeter.
Two antennas are attached to the net above the sidelines. The rods pass 80 cm vertically up from the sidelines and mark the boundary for where the ball can be played.
Antenna. Total length is 1.80 meter and 80 centimeter above the net and 1 meter with the net. Antenna diameter is 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter strips of color used, preferably red and white. 10 centimeter square black mesh. Each net box is 10 by 10 centimeters and total boxes are 1000.
Rotation. The rotational order is determined by the team's starting lineup and controlled with the service order and players' position throughout the set. When the receiving team has gained the right to serve, its players rotate one position clockwise. The player in position 2 rotate to position 1 to serve. The player in position 1 rotate to position 6. And the player in position 6 rotate to position 5 and so on. Each player rotates only one time for 1 point after the team gains the point. There shall be 6 players on each team. Team will rotate each time they win the serve. Players shall rotate in clockwise manner. Let's see how to rotate. Position number 1 moving to area 6 and position number 6 moving to area 5. Position number 5 moving to area 4. Position number 4 moving to area 3 and position number 3 moving to area 2 and last position number 2 moving to area 1. Each player rotates only one time for 1 point after the team gains the point. Lines on the court. All lines are 5 cm wide, must be of light color, which is different from the colors of the floor and from any other lines. These 4 lines on the court. First, service line. Second, center line. Third, attack line. Fourth, end line or boundary line. Lines on the court. All lines are 5 cm wide, must be of light color, which is different from the colors of the floor and from any other lines. First, service line. The area from which the server may serve the volleyball is marked 10 feet inside the right sideline on the each back line. Second, center line. is marked at the center of the court, dividing into equally into 30 feet squares, that means 90 meters, above which net is placed. Third, attack line. Attack line whose rear edge is drawn 30 meters back from the axis of the center line marks the front zone. Fourth, boundary lines or end lines. Two sidelines and two end lines mark the playing court. Court measurement. Student, in that point we will learn about playing area, court dimensions, playing surface, and most important point, measurement of volleyball court. First point, playing area. The playing area includes the playing court and the free zone. It shall be rectangular and symmetrical. Second point, court dimensions. The playing court is a rectangular measuring 60 by 30 feet or 18 by 9 square meters, surrounded by a free zone, which is 3 to 5 meters from sideline and 3 to 6.5 meters from end line. Third point, playing surface. The surface must be flat, horizontal and uniform. It must not be present any danger of injury to the players. It is forbidden to play on rough or slippery surface. For international competition, only wooden or synthetic surface is allowed. Measurement of volleyball court. Sideline 18 meter length. End line 9 meter width. Center line is marked at the center of the court. Dividing is equally into 30 feet square or 9 meter above which the net is placed. Attack line, that's mean front zone, 3 meter from the center line. Back zone, 6 meter from the attack line, and from center line it is 9 meter. Free zone, 3 to 6.5 meters vertically from service zone area and 3 to 5 meters horizontal from outside line area. Pole height is 2.55 meter. Substitution zone, 3 meters from center to attack line, and attack line to attack line is 6 meter. Substitution zone. The substitution zone is limited by the extension of both attack lineup to the scorer table. Libero replacement zone or coach's restriction line, a broken line which extends from the attack line to the end line of the court, parallel to the sideline and 1.75 meters from it. The libero replacement zone is a part of free zone on the side of the team benches, limited by the extension of the attack lineup to the end line. Volleyball court image. Students, this is volleyball score sheet. Students, as you can see in these pictures, these are top 20 teams in a volleyball sports. In the next video, we will learn about another game. Thank you so much, students. Take care, stay home, and stay safe.